So I have in this question, the frustum, in question 16, a frustum is made by removing a small cone from a large cone. This we already know. The cones are mathematically similar. So this cone, this one that I removed, is mathematically similar to the larger one. The large cone has base radius r and height h. This is the height, and this is the radius. Given that the volume of the frustum to the volume of the large cone is 125, find an expressions for h, in terms of h, for the height of the frustum. So we need to find the height of the frustum, which is basically this, in terms of h, this. Okay, that's easy. I'm going to work out with the first given that's given to me by the examiner, which is the ratio. The ratio here is given as a form of fraction, so it's all right. So we have volume of frustum. We know the frustum is the difference between, frustum equals the difference between the large cone minus the small cone, right? Because here, the frustum, my frustum, this tiny little guy, was made by removing this small cone from this large cone. So it's basically the difference. So I have the ratio small to big to difference. The order doesn't matter, but the terms under each one shall be the same. Like if the volume of the frustum 98, so 98 under the difference 98. Volume of the large cone, it's going to be 125. The small, how to get the small from the big in difference? You basically subtract difference from the big. 125 minus 98. So it's going to be 27. It's basically like I have the frustum is the L minus the S. I need to get the S. So the S is going to be L minus F. This is mathematically how it is done. However, if you consider it by logic, it's still the same. So the height of the frustum, okay. I have the small, the big, and the difference. And this is the volume. How to get the height or the length of a side from a volume? You're going to put a cubic root, right? So it's going to be 3 to 5 to 98 to the power of, we don't do square root, roots or powers to differences. But then how if I miss? We are going to basically subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. However, we don't subtract, we don't get the difference. We're not going to write in the calculator, cubic root 98 equals blah, blah, blah. No, this is absolutely wrong. So, this is the ratio for the sides. I'm going to write the sides under here. I have here the height of the big and the radius for, I need the height, so no need for the radius. So right now I need the height of the frustum, which is the difference. I need this one. How to get this one? It's going to be 2h over 5. And that is the answer.